Hi and welcome back to the Polymer Clay channel. So today is Saturday, which means it's a Christmas one today. A little while ago I was asked by one of my subscribers whether I could do an elf tutorial. So that is exactly what I'm going to do today. So here is a tutorial about a Christmas elf.
Snow is falling down. I've been longing for this Christmas, when everyone's around to share this holiday. Yes, it's a time of happiness, a time of joy, but now this year is twice as special, 'cause I'm hoping for us to fall in love in this winter wonderland. Chilling by the fire as I'm trying to get your attention, giving you a smile. I can't seem to look away. I might be crazy, but I think you feel it too, like a vibration right between us with a beautiful two. Could we fall in love in this winter wonderland? Cold night, but I'm warm inside. Already said a little prayer that you will stick around. Is this year I'm really hoping for a kiss under the mistletoe? As hours pass by, all the stars shine much brighter. Or is it just your eyes that have lit something in me? I see you coming closer from across the room. My heart is pounding really fast, I don't know what to do. Could we fall in love in this winter wonderland? Cold night, but I'm warm inside. Already said a little prayer that you will stick around. Is this year I'm really hoping for a kiss under the mistletoe? Snow is falling down. I've been longing for this Christmas, when everyone's around to share this holiday. Yes, it's a time of happiness, a time of joy, but now this year is twice as special, 'cause I'm hoping for that we'll fall in love in this winterland. Could we fall in love in this winterland? Wanna fall in love in this winter wonderland. Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You dance. We're gonna dance.
We're gonna
Okay.
dance, dance, dance,
Come on.
dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Let's go outside. The snow is falling down, and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk, and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh.
Thanks for watching the tutorial. So I'm going to show you what it looks like now. So I've left the elf on the backing tile that I've got here, and the reason for that is because I just wanted to get this out there so you could see what it looked like. But eventually what I'm going to do is, as with a lot of my stuff, I'm going to put a ribbon in the top and then hang him up probably behind me. So as you saw, I popped him together bit by bit. The green was a little bit hard to work with because I made it too soft with the oil, so it was so stretchy and so hard. But you know, other than that, it turned out, I think, quite good. So top to bottom, I made the hat first, and I gave it a little fold at the top, and then I sort of built the design around the head and the body. Now, as you'll notice, I have actually made little hands, and they've got thumbs. So we're making progress. We've got hands and thumbs. Well, we've got thumbs anyway. So we're making progress. We've got hands, and they've now got little thumbs. So I'm hoping at some point I'll get my confidence up, and you might even see some fingers. So yeah, this has got some hands, which I'm quite proud of, to be honest. So then there's the little belt, and the belt's quite easy to make, just a little square, and then you pop some black Fimo through it so it looks like a belt. The bit I didn't like so much was doing the legs. Now, red and white is really, really hard not to get the stain on the white, but what I did in between making it is I just used a little cotton bud and just sort of wiped over the white to get rid of the little red marks, and they've worked out okay. So then there's the little shoes. Now I could have made them 3D, I could have made them so that they poked forward, but I like the sort of the flat look. I'm not too sure why, but I just thought, well, I'll do it this way, and you know, if I make another one in the future, I'll know that I can do them, and I might make it different next time. And with all Christmas crafts, it's heavy on the glitter. Of course it's going to be, A, because it's my channel and me, but B, because it's a Christmas craft, I get away with it. So that's what I've done. So I chucked a load of glitter all over it, nice bright green, nice bright red, and then I highlighted with a bit of gold, as you can see when I'm turning here. And I made sure that obviously that wasn't all the same coloured glitter as well. So I used some bright glitter in the green and then slightly different colour as well. And that adds to the design of it. So you could perhaps try that as well. So I am going to get this off the tile. I'm going to do it off camera just in case. I'm going to pop a ribbon in the top and I will put the photographs of the finished hanging design at the end. And then in later videos, you'll see it behind me. So this is how you make a Christmas elf from Polymer Clay. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. So I've left it on its tile because, oh dear, yeah, see, that ain't gonna work, is it? So as I did with my fairy, I built a body first. Did I? No, I built a head first. So I have left the elf on the, so I've left the, what's his name? Was it elf? Oh. Thanks for watching this tutorial. That's it. I'm hoping at some point I'll get my, what's the word? Get my, but I liked the sort of the, oh, what's the word? Before I put the at the top, and you'll see it hanging behind me in a future video. Yes. And then in later videos, my little Christmas elf. Whoa, whoa. No. Ho 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 for a Christmas elf. What are you, stupid?